Good evening, everyone. This is Clinton Poteet, and this is going to be my quiz review. So, I got everything right. So I'll just go over one of the questions. With question 4, last name starts with O through Z. Mine starts with P, element O, P. You are an attorney representing a plaintiff and have been hired to argue against the constitutionality of the caps. Write your best argument explaining why the caps are unconstitutional. So essentially what we're going to do is just argue on behalf of the, essentially why it would serve in the best efforts and interests of justice regarding there not being a cap or a roof, so to say, for damages. So, say somebody shoots somebody at work, and there's a constitutionality of cap of let's say $50,000, just so it's ridiculously low. Say $50,000. Well, $50,000 is only going to be the amount that you can recover for through the laws of that state, which is absolutely ridiculous. There'd be no real precedent. I mean, you got $50,000 to burn, you could basically go do that, and it's pretty messed up and doesn't really set a sort of bright line rule as to how it could be portrayed as too soft or not right, or any other sort. You want to get as much money as you can, not necessarily for you or really the client, but also to help set the precedent that there is no cap, and that you as a person could literally lose everything. Be $300,000, could be $30,000, could be $30 million. It's just no telling. There's no cap, and that's a pretty big precedent to be put in place, showing that somebody who kills someone or robs someone or commits something of some sort that involves this implemented caps or limits on the amount of non-economic damages that a plaintiff can recover, then it could be either or. So you want to set the precedent for my portion representing a plaintiff that it does not set the precedent to have caps. There should be no caps, because constitutionality of the caps makes justice less than what it could be, because the plaintiff could very well not get what he or she needs in order to put him or her at a position prior to this legal action, whatever it is, before the court.